Hello, welcome back to our channel ACO Learning with Divya. Students, in the previous class, we understood how to multiply two fractions and also multiplication of more than two fractions. In today's class, we will understand multiplication of mixed fraction. How do we multiply the mixed fractions? Yes, to multiply a mixed fraction by a whole number, convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction and then multiply. If possible, simplify first or else then convert the answer back to the mixed fraction. Whenever the answer is in the improper fraction, it has to be converted into mixed fraction. Yes, look at an example here. 1 5 by 8 by 3. So here we need to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 1 into 8 plus 5, right? Look at the solution here. 1 5 by 8, which is also equal to 1 into 8 plus 5 by 8. Here whole number into denominator plus numerator. 8 1 times is 8 plus 5. So 8 plus 5 is 13 and the denominator remains the same. Now we converted the mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 1 5 by 8 is equal to 13 by 8. Now we'll have to multiply 13 by 8 into 3. So here 1 5 by 8 into 3, which is also equal to 13 by 8 into 3. So 13 by 8 into 3 by 1. So here at the denominator place there is nothing. So we'll have to consider 1 at the denominator place. Here 13 3 times and 8 1 times. We'll have to multiply. We'll have to multiply the numerators first and then the denominators from both the fractions. So what is 13 into 3? 13 into 3 is 39 and 8 1 times is 8. So this needs to be converted into mixed fraction, right? The numerator is more than the denominator, so it has to be converted into mixed fraction. So here we'll get the answer as 4 7 by 8. We'll check by dividing 39 divided by 8. So 8 4 times is 32. So here 9 minus 2 is 7 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So here 4 is the whole number, 8 is the divisor, 8 is the denominator and 8 divisor is the denominator and the remainder is the numerator. So 4 7 by 8. So this is how we'll convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Improper fraction means when the numerator is greater than the denominator, it is called improper fraction, and whenever you get the answer in improper fraction, it has to be converted into mixed fraction. Here multiply 2 4 by 7 by 5. So here in the solution 2 4 by 7, which is equal to 2 into 7 plus numerator 4 by 7, denominator which is also equal to 14 plus 4 by 7, which is equal to 18 by 7. So here we converted the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Next step, we'll have to multiply the mixed fraction into whole number, that is 5. So 4 2 by 7 into 5, which is also equal to 18 by 7 into 5. Here 18 by 7 into 5 by 1. Yes, so 18 into 5 by 7 into 1. Right? So What is 18 into 5? 18 into 5 is 90 by 7. This needs to be converted into mixed fraction. So when we convert it into mixed fraction, we'll get the answer as 12 6 by 7. We can check here. 90 by 7. 7. 1 time is 7. Then 9 minus 7, 2. Bring down 0. 7 2 times is 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. So here 6 is the numerator, 7 is the denominator and 12 is the whole number. So here 12 6 by 7. Look at another example. Multiply 1 3 by 5 by 2 1 by 2. Both the fractions are in mixed fraction. So both needs to be converted into improper fraction and then we will multiply. So solution 1 3 by 5 into 2 1 by 2, which is also equal to, yes, we'll convert 1 into 5 plus 3 by 5 and then 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. Yes, this is how we'll convert. First, we will multiply whole number into denominator plus numerator. That is 1 into 5 plus 3. Here 2 into 2 plus 1. Right? So, what is 1 5 times is 5 plus 3. 1 5 is 5 plus 3 by 5 and 4 2 times is 4 plus 1, yes, by 2. So 8 5 plus 3 is 8 by 5. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. So here we got the improper fractions of 1 3 by 5, that is 8 by 5, and improper fraction of 2 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. Next step, here we can simplify it. How can we simplify? Here 8 and 2 both are divisible by 2 tables, right? So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are is 8, right? So here also 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. Here next we'll have to multiply 4 into 1 and 1 into 1. Yes. So 4 into 1, 1 into 1, which is also equal to 4 by 1. 4 by 1 is nothing but 4 itself.